All right, so I'm just getting over being sick, and I wanted to do an end of the decade monthly empties. So you're not going to see me in this video, but you will see my empties and my really dirty kitchen cabinets countertop. So let's get into it. So I'm going to start with this sample over here. You know, I truly don't know how to pronounce this brand. Amika maybe. I'm just going to keep saying it the same way. So this was just a sample of it. It's the Mass Triple RX, and it was good. I remember I did really, really, really like it. I know this brand in general is a very good brand, and I do believe they are cruelty-free. Yeah, they have the Leaping Bunny. But yeah, I didn't like repurchase this. It wasn't anything that like stopped me in my tracks, but it is good. Okay, we have the Vaseline Total Moisture. I had 2 of these. So my family loves, like when people get married, we give these away in like the hotel baskets. Like the overnight, you know, when you're staying in the hotel, the overnight basket. These are like some of the things that we give, like in the baskets whenever somebody gets married. So we have so many extra from like my brother's wedding, my sister's wedding, my wedding. So I had a bunch of these, and when I went cruelty-free, I was like, I gotta use them up because Vaseline is not cruelty-free. So I use these. They're okay. I actually feel like I get a little bit more dry when I use them, believe it or not. Yeah, so I'm not gonna repurchase, but if there is a wedding, we will repurchase. Okay, there's the Pond's, which is like the OG. Yeah, it's the dry skin cream, not cruelty-free. I'm very disappointed in you, Pond's. Very disappointed. So I will not be repurchasing. Okay, Skin So Soft. When I had a client who sold Avon, excuse me, and I was like, all right, you support me, I support you. That's the way I run my business. And so I purchased a bunch of stuff. This was before I went cruelty-free, and this was one of them. But they actually claim to be cruelty-free, but their parent company, I forgot who their parent company is, but is not cruelty-free. So technically they fall under not cruelty-free since their parent company is not. But Avon themselves do not test on animals, but their parent company does. But this gives you like a nice glow. I actually would probably repurchase this because I love it in the summertime. I might actually have one more. Maybe I've done this in an empties before. I'm not sure. But yeah, I'm not going to repurchase it because it's the parent company is not cruelty-free. Okay, back in the day when I was like first starting my YouTube channel and I was just trying to get my hands on some product, I did the influencer thing where like you pretty much had to like fill out the survey and then they send you products, and this was one of the things that came in the box. So they'd send you like a box of samples to try, and then you'd have to like review them. So this is Eva NYC, and it's the Main Magic 10-in-1 Primer. I've definitely had this on my channel before when I was talking about the boxes. I no longer do the boxes, not to sound obnoxious, but I'm just very busy and I have a lot of reviews to do, and I just am very busy in like my actual career, and so I don't really have the time to like review the products, and so it just wouldn't be fair. So I only really review products that are cruelty-free or that I specifically want to review. So I won't be repurchasing this. It was okay. It was nice to travel with this because it's small and compact, but I wouldn't have ever used it as like a full-time thing in my life. My favorite free sample that I've ever tried in my life are these bad boys right here. I'm gonna see if I could put these down and maybe you guys can see them better because I feel like what I'm doing is not that good. So these are the Protect and Detangle, and they're from Beauty Defender, I think it was. What does this say? Let's see. Beauty Protector. I believe that these are like a Birchbox exclusive. So I used to get a Birchbox every year for Christmas to review the products from my sister-in-law and my brother. They no longer get me the Birchbox, but this was in the box, and my sister got one, and I got one, or maybe I got 2 years in a row, and then my mom got one, and nobody wanted it, so I took it. The smell is like unbelievable, and the way it works is ridiculously, ridiculously good. So if this wasn't a Birchbox exclusive, I would definitely purchase this in life, but unfortunately, I believe it's an exclusive, and I just don't shop through Birchbox, so yeah, it's a really good product. So if you get your hands on it, you're lucky. Truly, that's how I feel. Beyond the Zone Rock On Dry Shampoo was literally my favorite dry shampoo, and I purchased it at Sally's. It was the best dry shampoo I've ever used in my life before I was introduced to the R&Co Death Valley Dry Shampoo, which is hands down the best. Nothing even comes close. So I had to actually just finish these. I don't believe that these are cruelty-free. So let's see. No, I don't believe these are cruelty-free. And so I just had to finish them, and now I just use exclusively the Death Valley Arnico Dry Shampoo. I also sell it in the salon, and I think that they're just amazing. I know that they're amazing. They are the best. I've tried many dry shampoos. All right, since we're talking about hair, let's just continue talking about hair. This is the Goldwell Dual Sense for blonde highlights. It's a serum spray. I've had it for a very long time. I honestly can't even tell you if I think it's good or not. I just know that when I went cruelty free, I was like, I gotta use this product because I have it and I've had it for years, and I never really reached for it. So it's okay. I don't remember being like, oh wow, it was amazing. So, but I do know it's not cruelty free. Guys, this is my end of a decade. My end of a decade. Like, how crazy is that? Okay, so this is the Backlight Blue Shampoo. So blue shampoo, purple shampoo, they're pretty much the same thing. This one just says blue on it. And I got it at an actual hair class. So, you know, as a hairstylist, you have to go pay to take classes. And this was one of the things that were in the gift bag or the bag for being there or whatever the case is. So I got it for that. It was very good. I liked it. It wasn't so amazing that I would have it in the salon, but it was very, very, very good. That is true. It is very good. I thought it was cruelty free, but now I'm thinking it's not, because that's probably why I didn't want it in the salon. It's probably not cruelty free. Might be vegan. Well, anyway, it was good. It was nice. This is like the sample size, which is crazy. Okay, so this is a MAC Prep and Prime. So MAC started a thing that's like Sephora does, that if you purchase a product, you get free samples, and they actually send you really good ones. The only thing is, MAC's parent company is not cruelty free. So sorry, my dog was barking, so I'm not even sure what you heard, but so MAC is, I believe, cruelty free, but their parent company is not. I don't even know if you could see this, but it's the Prep and Prime. And also, if you guys have been on my channel, you guys know that I'm kind of a skeptic of primers. And that's what this is. So I did use it because I was like, all right, I'm going cruelty free. I got to use all my products. But at the same time, I'm like, I don't even know if it really actually works. So yeah, I would not be repurchasing this anyway. Okay, so now that we're talking about MAC, let's just get into this. This is their, what was this? Point Black, and it's the liquid lash liner from MAC. It's very old packaging. I'm not even actually sure if they still have this. When I used to work for MAC, this was one of the eyeliners that I purchased from them. And it just, you could tell it's not good because it got like super thick and weird inside. But I also used it to death, and I stopped using it on people, and I would only use it on myself. Don't worry, I was not using old crap on people. But I like to use old crap on myself because I hate throwing stuff out. So I used this until I literally could not anymore. I actually love this. This will stay on for days. You could wake up tomorrow and it'll still be on. You could try to wipe it off and it'll still be on. This stuff is like a marker. It's it's amazing. It's actually very, very good, but it's very you don't want to make a mistake with it because it will stay. So make sure that you got a steady hand and you know what you're doing if you're going to use this. Okay, here's the felt MAC one in brush stroke. I actually did a video on the e.l.f. one versus this one, so it's like a felt pencil. And I actually thought this one was a little bit more dry than the e.l.f. one was. I think this one might stay a tad bit longer, but I'll link that video so you guys can see it. But I'm a huge fan of MAC Cosmetics. I used to work for them. That was the makeup I was trained in and everything, but they're just not cruelty free. So this one's flaking off on my hand. So again, back in the day, these were the little paint things. So pretty much what you would use a concealer for now was what this is. And yeah, I had this from when I worked there, and you just put it on as a base for your eyeshadow. I don't think that they package it like this anymore. I don't think they should, because it's it feels like aluminum or something weird, and it's getting everywhere. It's on my fingers and stuff. But again, this is 10 years old, so of course it's like this. But I would use this on myself as a base for my eyeshadow. I think they might have them in pods now. I'm not sure. My dog is about to bark. Okay, back to the samples that they give you for free. These were the MAC Falsy mascara and then Upward Lash. Let's compare the brushes just so you guys have a better understanding. I can't tell you which one was better because I don't remember. Oh, this was a super weird small brush. Okay, so this one definitely was not better. Upward Lash, not better. I believe this one was like a super thick brush, I think. Yeah, this one was like a thick, nice brush. So the false lashes is definitely better than the upward lash, only because of the brush, unless you like that kind of brush. But again, not cruelty free. I got this. This is definitely a sample size mascara, the Bad Girl Bang by Benefit. I actually really liked this at first when I first tried it, and then I got another sample of it and I tried it again and I was like, well, it's okay. Like, I'm not a huge fan of it. But let me show you guys the wand just so you guys can get a good understanding. It's like the rubbery kind of wand. It was pretty good. I feel like this isn't cruelty free though. I'm not sure. Is Benefit cruelty free? I don't really use Benefit and I don't remember exactly where I got this. Like where I got the sample. Maybe it was a Birchbox or something. I'm not sure. But it's empty. Okay, so a friend of mine actually, I believe she sells these or she works for this company, and she said to me like, hey, Artistry Studio, try this out, let me know what you think. And I gotta be honest, I never told her what I thought, but I have to tell her because I'm done with it now. So it says a Lash Boost 3-in-1 mascara. So when you take the wand out, there's a little knob on this backside and you could turn it and it makes the actual wand smaller or larger. So that's the smaller one and then that's the larger one. So if you want to get like, you know, in a crevice or something, I don't know. I think it's kind of gimmicky. I thought the mascara was okay. It was like very, it was a very nice mascara. It's definitely not cruelty free. It was a nice mascara, but then towards the end it started to flake all over my face, and that's when I knew it was over, like it was done. So I personally would not repurchase this. It's in Gotham Black, but like it's not horrible. It was okay. It was nice. It was nice for when it was nice, you know? And if you like gimmicky stuff that like this twist and stuff, then that's cool for you. But if you're a professional makeup artist, it doesn't matter if this twist, because you're not putting this actually on somebody's face. You're taking a fake mascara wand, a disposable one, and you're dipping them in there. So this whole thing is just literally a gimmick at that point. Doesn't matter. Now we have the e.l.f. Cosmetics. This was my favorite, as you can tell, eyebrow pencil or eyebrow kit. So this was like a wax and this was like a powder, and it came with a little brush, and I didn't use it. I used my own brush. But I have a new one. I haven't been using this, but this one was like a very, very good one. So if you're in the market for like an inexpensive, good quality eyebrow pencil, eyebrow kit, like this is, e.l.f. is very good, and they are cruelty free. This is the e.l.f. concealer. There is definitely like a little bit more in here, but this tube is like metal and like it'll start scraping on my face, so I don't want to use it. But my color in this was beige. This is a very good concealer. I had my days where I was like, oh, I don't know, it's not really, it's like kind of chalky under my eyes, and then there were days where it was like, wow, this is a really good one. I'm gonna move the camera because I feel like you can't really see much right now. And you can see my messy house. Okay. This is the e.l.f. Dewy Setting Mist, Setting Spray. I actually love this one. It was very good. I really enjoyed it. I have not used one since. I have not replaced this. So I was just trying to go through my products and then like get a bunch of products that I really love, and I just haven't been there yet. So I have not replaced this, but I did really like it. Okay, this is a face wash. It is my favorite. It is cruelty free, and it is literally the best face wash ever. I believe I got it at Marshall's, and then when I loved it, it was like $5. I went online and I just bought out all of theirs. It may have been TJ Maxx because it was online. I bought out like every one that they had. So we're still going through these at home, but I don't know why. I love this face wash. I think it's great. All right, Taylor Swift Wonderstruck. I have these in stock. Also went to Marshall's and literally bought a bunch. Oh wow, you can see through it when it's like that. I love the smell of it. I've had it for like years. I've been using this for years now, and like I said, I bought it in bulk because I buy everything I like in bulk. I'm kind of getting over it. I'm kind of like, okay, I'm done soon, but like the smell is beautiful. It's just like, you know, you get used to a smell and you like almost don't even smell it anymore. That's how I feel. But I love Taylor Swift. I love everything about Taylor Swift. So of course I love her perfume. And then we're closing in over here. Here is the Native Coconut Vanilla Deodorant. This one is obviously a sample size. And I believe this company like plants trees when you purchase from them. They're just like a really good quality company, like, and the smell of it, yes, the smell was so good. It didn't hurt my underarms, and it made me smell really good, which is important because most times I don't smell good when I wear deodorant. I don't smell good, period. And most times deodorant just don't help out. So I was like making my own deodorant for a while, but then we didn't have a kitchen, so I couldn't. So I was looking for alternatives, and this one was fantastic. And I know it's like a good, really good company. So if you come across it, I'd pick it up if you like that sort of thing. And then lastly, my sister-in-law gave me this. She gets those boxes where like if you work out in the gym and like they send you like boxes and they give you a bunch of stuff inside of it, kind of like a Birchbox, but for gym stuff. And so when she was moving to California, she was like, I have a bunch of gym clothes and if you want this, and I was like, heck yeah, I want it. So it's called Stink Bug, and it is vanilla, mint, and charcoal deodorant. It's done. But I actually really like this deodorant too, and I'm pretty sure it was cruelty-free as well. I don't see it on here, but I'm pretty sure it was. And I like the way it made me smell and everything like that. So, okay, I'm gonna end with this company. It's East Hampton. I got these for Christmas. This one is halfway done, but we got these for Christmas. It's Montauk Candle Company, natural soy. I'm pretty sure it's cruelty-free because it's like a small business. They're 10 ounces. They're huge. This is our second one that we're going through since Christmas because we love candles so much. Not because there's not a lot in here, because there is, but because we love candles so much. And the first one we actually like repurposed. So my husband like took the label off and he cleaned the bottom, and the wax is all out of here. And we're actually going to use it as like a planter. So not only do you get a cool candle out of it, but you also get like a planter or whatever you want to use it for. So that is the video, guys. I hope you like this. Again, this one's halfway done, but we have one that is finished. So I hope you guys like this video. Love you guys so much, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!